Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini aku mau buat 5 tutorial hijab yang pasti ini tuh simple banget, bisa digunain sehari-hari. Dan semoga kalian suka sama videonya ya. Jangan lupa tonton terus videonya.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Aja 5 tutorial hijab dari aku. Semoga kalian suka. Jangan lupa di like, komen, dan di subscribe. Dadah.